left hand right there, right when Johnny Gonzalez is throwing a left hook.
Jab, put that left hand in the body and come back with the hook. Do you hear me?
Okay.
Jab, put that left hand in the body and come back with the hook. Do you hear me?
Okay.
All right.
And Penelos is still following him around.
Bago natin simulan, sa mga gustong tumalpak dyan sa legit online betting ay i-recommenda ko ang 1xBet. Malalaki ang odds, mabilis lang mag-deposit at syempre mag-withdraw. Pwedeng gumamit ng GCash, bangko, cryptocurrency at marami pang iba. At pwede kang makakuha ng up to 7,000 pesos bonus sa unang deposit mo. Magpa-register lang kayo gamit ang link na nakapin sa comment section sa ibaba. At huwag kalimutang gamitin ang ating promo code na CNM sa unang deposit mo para makuha mo ang bonus na up to 7,000 pesos. At sa mga magtatanong kung paano mag-register at mag-deposit, naglagay na din ako ng link ng video sa comment section para di na kayo mahirapan pa. Madami kang sports na pagpipilian. Pwede kang tumalpak sa basketball, UFC, at syempre boxing. Kung trip mo naman ang online casino ay marami din dito. Matataas ang odds. Kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Talpak na. At ang aking paalala, para lang ito sa 18 years old and above. At syempre, gamble responsibly. Matapos mabigo ang Pinoy na si Jerry Peñalosa, nakunin ang titulong IBA at WBO Super Bantamweight title na hawak-hawak ng Mexican knockout artist na si Daniel Ponce de Leon.
Still the light featherweight champion of the world, Daniel Ponce de Leon.
Ay nagdesisyon itong bumaba ng timbang para kasahan ang isang Mexican knockout artist din at kilalang champion na si Johnny Gonzalez para subuking kunin ang titulong hawak nito na WBO World Bantamweight title. Bago pa ang laban ay alam na daw ni Peñalosa na di basta-bastang kalaban itong si Gonzalez, pero sa kagustuhang manalo at makuha ang titulo ay nagpursige daw siya sa training. Pinapahirapan daw niya talaga ang kanyang sarili dahil alam niyang isang digmaan ang mangyayari sa ibabaw ng lona. Mas bata at mas matangkad itong Mexican champion, 25 years old pa lang at may 5'6 and 1/2 na tangkad, habang 36 na ang Pinoy at 5'4 lang. Pero sa weigh-in nila ay nakitaan daw ng butas ni Peñalosa itong kalaban. Pansin daw niya ang pagka-drain nito at pagkapayat, kaya nasa isip daw niya na hindi daw ito mentally at physically 100% sa laban. Bit-bit ng bitiranong Pinoy ang record na 51 wins, 32 via knockout, may 6 na talo at 2 tabla. Habang dala-dala naman ng defending champion ang kartadang 34 wins, 29 dito via knockout at may 5 talo. Ginanap ang laban sa Arco Arena sa Sacramento sa Amerika. Dihado ang Pinoy sa mata ng karamihan dahil mas maliit ito kumpara sa Meksikano at mas matanda kumpara sa champion na si Gonzalez. At sa mismong gabi nga ng laban ay matinding bakbakan nga ang nasaksihan. Isang malaalamat na naman na performance ang pinakita ng dalawa. Isang Pinoy versus Mexican na naman ang nagpamalas ng lakas sa ibabaw ng lona. Pero ang inaasahan ng karamihan na easy fight lang itong Pinoy challenger na si Peñalosa ay nagkamali sila. Ginulat ng Pinoy challenger ang Amerika, ang kilabot na champion ng Mexico. Day na ito nakatayo pa sa bilang at diniklarang panalo via knockout si Peñalosa. Isang upset win ang nangyari sa Pinoy at sa panalong ito, naging 2 division world champion si Jerry Peñalosa. Halina't sabay nating balikan ang labang Espinosa versus Gonzalez. Ating tignan kung paano na upset win ng mas veteranong Pinoy challenger ang mas batang defending champion ng Mexico. First round, makikitang agresibo agad ang mas maliit na Pinoy. Mas sumusugod, gustong pasukin ang depensa ng champion. Southpaw si Peñalosa habang orthodox naman itong si Gonzalez.
About the footwork, Lennox.
The referee hasn't caught that yet, but he definitely needs to keep that right foot on the outside of Gonzalez.
About the shorter Peñalosa trying to get inside.
He's putting a little pressure on Johnny. Around, but he's trying to get in there with the jab, which is doing well. His shots very carefully. Doesn't want to waste his punches. He's one of those. Gonzalez should remember this is only the first round, the figure out round, so we're not really expecting too much. But right now they're really banging it out.
Get set for round number 2.
Round 2, agresibo pa din ang Pinoy pero mas nagbabato ng mga accurate na counter at mga kombinasyon ang champion para mapigilang makalapit si Peñalosa at makapasok sa kanyang depensa.
Stronger with his punches, especially with his jab. I think he's putting the pressure on him. He's making him back up. He wants to get him against the ropes so he can take advantage of his short arms. He has to. He's the shorter boxer. Going to the body is a good thing for him, Penalosa. Looking at Johnny Gonzalez's punches, there's not too much steam behind him. He's just using his arms to really throw the punch, destroy it. He's going to knock Johnny Garcia's up. I've been really saying that, but you know, we want to try and put him up against the ropes.
Low blow right on the belt line by Gonzalez.
And Gonzalez threw a good body punch there.
End of the round. Let's see if he can.
Round 3, mas uminit na ang laban. Palitan na ang dalawa ng mga kombinasyon pero mas makikitang agresibo pa din dito ang Pinoy.
To Johnny's body and trying to, then he has to move in quick. And when he's done too much, but he can start out going after the body and then end off at the head.
Penalosa shoots a left hand to the midsection.
He doesn't want to put his back up against the ropes. He's trying to catch punch, and Penalosa will still be there because he's not really giving you too much and not getting hit with any silly shots in there.
Head works a jab. Gonzalez digs to the body.
Double jab, put that left hand in the body and come back with the hook. You hear me? Okay. All right.
Round number 4, scheduled for 12. Gonzalez.
Round 4, tuloy pa din ang maksyong laban. Mas makamay na dito si Gonzalez. Mas nakakatamaan na din pero di naman nagpapalugi ang Pinoy sa mga suntok.
Big things. Only landed 5 of 104 jabs.
Easy fight for him because he's you know, Penalosa's there and very easy for Gonzalez. What Penalosa needs combinations in there. He said in this particular fight he wants to throw more punches, but he has to. That's one of his honey punches is that left hook with your body.
Daniel Ponce de Leon.
Keeping him at a distance right now. He's in Johnny Gonzalez's punching distance. See Penalosa. He wants to.
Round 5, patuloy sa pagiging agresibo ang Pinoy pero mas tinatamaan na siya dito ng champion.
Short in the distance, but you notice Johnny Gonzalez is using that. But when he reacts to throw a combination, allowing Johnny
Gonzalez keeps the distance and
Okay. The last 10 seconds, he's trying to steal the round. Okay? Fire your combinations, okay? Don't let him steal the last 10 seconds.
Round 6, tagisan ng lakas pa din ang makikita pero mapapansin na tila gusto ng pasukin ni Penalosa ang depensa para patamaan sa bodega itong champion. Pero itong si Gonzalez ay magaling din talaga, counter at mga kombinasyon agad ang isasalubong niya sa Pinoy.
distances. Penalosa does get inside, but right away Gonzalez.
on Johnny Gonzalez, put him up against.
Been a great champion at the tail end of his career here at the end. He may knock out Gonzalez at maybe one more fight and he's done. Good double left hook.
That can concern him any much.
He landed a good straight left hand. Gonzalez.
Left hand right there, right when Johnny Gonzalez is throwing the left hook.
Again, round number 7 of this.
Round 7, lamang na sa scorecards itong defending champion. Pero ang Pinoy challenger ay focus lang sa laban. Alam na niya na bibigay din itong champion sa mga late rounds.
Doubles the drill. Yeah, look at that. 4-punch combination right there.
But as you said, a range find and then using that left hook very effectively.
Very relaxed in there. He knows what he wants to do.
Down from 130 pounds to make the 118-pound limit.
Too much. I mean, Penalosa doesn't really give him too much pressure to worry about. So he's.
At sa mga huling segundo nga ng round 7, dito napasok ng Pinoy ang bodega nitong champion. Isang malutong na birada sa tagiliran ang tumama at nagpabagsak dito.
And Penalosa still following him around. Oh, good body shot. And here we go, left to the body. Oh, right in the left shot there. Always fine. Penalosa ducking under, coming back with that left hook right to the liver.
Di na ito nakatayo pa sa bilang sa sobrang sakit. Ginulat ni Peñalosa ang buong Amerika sa isang malahalimaw na lever shot na nagpabagsak sa champion. Panalo ang Pinoy via 7th round knockout. Base sa interview ng The Ring Magazine kay Peñalosa, pinili niya si Johnny Gonzalez bilang best overall boxer na nakalaban niya. Mas matangkad, mas malakas at mas mabilis daw ito. Pero dahil sa matinding training at sa pagiging drain at payat ni Gonzalez sa laban, ay alam na daw niya na kaya niyang talunin ang defending champion. Sa mga unang rounds pa nga daw, ay sinasabi daw niya sa kanyang sarili na di bali nang natatamaan sa mga unang rounds, basta sa mga huling rounds, paktay daw itong champion.
And new WBO Bantamweight Champion Peñalosa.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.